Been begging for them dollars, cause she wanna make college. Coming straight out the trip hole. Here to tell me what you wanna do. Tell me what you wanna do.
Welcome back on Mark, and this is Veteran Reacts, man. We got Kyle Richh, Lil Wayne, Lil Yachty, Can't Hold Me Down. Without any further ado, let's get it, man. I think like Pharrell did the Pharrell Williams did the beat, I think. That's weird, bro. Come all over the place.
Get the pop in this bottle for popping this shit.
Hey.
I saw the movie like this. Got all this money, I'm feeling like Mitch. Like, I don't like beefing with kids. I'm on this body like I was a sis.
We got one of these, bro. Okay, about to spaz on this shit.
I don't fight with my fists. Little bro, get the fuck in this shit. Get the pop in this bottle for popping this shit. Feel like the king, I'm on top of this shit. When they put on my song, they start popping their hips. Let's get that boy where he white.
In this bitch, like the night at the Roxbury, isn't this bitch?
When they put on my song, they start popping their hips. Let's get that boy where he white. They make a movie if he try to stunt. I'm in no bed, they gon' think I'm a nut. All the shit that you started cannot be undone. Like I'm a king, but do not call me Chud. Get in that mood and I don't.
Damn, this remind me of listening to Triple X Tentacion, bro.
That you started cannot be undone. Like I'm a king, but do not call me Chud. Get in that mood and I don't give a fuck. Let me see who really chunk. Them boys not crazy, they see us, they run.
This that mosh pit music.
Let me see who really chunk. Them boys not crazy, they see us, they run. Said I'm not in the mood, so please watch your approach. Bro, itch in the throat. Eyes wide open like he seen a ghost. I don't got time for no troll. Good player, bitch, I am the coach. Mentioning me, don't forget I'm a GOAT. Mentioning me, don't forget the kid.
Hold me, can't let them hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down. Hold me, can't let them hold me.
This beat is so unorthodox. This shit is crazy, man.
Let them hold me. Can't let them down. Stick to the script, never. I know life can get way better. I know life can get way sweeter. They say life's a bitch, I'm just waiting to meet her. I take her on dates, I'm a keeper. I take her on dates, I'm a lover. I'ma treat her like she is my only. I'ma treat her like there's no other. Hold me, can't let them.
Well, a music video, this will be dope as fuck. Like the dance to this shit will be off the chain.
I'm a keeper. I take her on dates, I'm a lover. I'ma treat her like she is my only. I'ma treat her like there's no other. Hold me, can't let them hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down. Hold me, can't let them hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down.
Cartoon, not a cartoon. Red eyes running on fumes. Gray sky.
Hey, who my lighter? I need my lighter. No lighter flick on this tune.
Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down.
Not a cartoon. Red eyes running on fumes. Gray skies finna fall soon. Third eye got his own views. Small world, but my dog's huge. Food for thought, that's the dog food. Think it's sweet like some junk food. That's why I draw the line like it's art school. They tried out what I can do. I take I'm out impossible. The world is mine, I'm responsible. I'm colorblind, I come out the blue. World in my hands, I'm ball hogging. And when the summer, spring, fall on it. I'm at your grill like George Foreman. Dogville, never a dog moment.
Hold me, can't let them.
Come on, bro. You just spaz on that bitch real quick, bro.
Not a cartoon. Red eyes running on fumes.
Red eyes running on fumes, bro.
Cartoon, not a cartoon. Red eyes running on fumes. Gray skies finna fall soon.
Gray skies finna fall soon.
Cartoon. Red eyes running on fumes. Gray skies finna fall soon. Third eye got his own views.
Third eyes got his own views.
Small world, but my dog's huge.
Small world, but my dog's huge.
Finna fall soon. Third eye got his own views. Small world, but my dog's huge. Food for thought, that's the dog food.
FIFA something, that's the dog food. Oh, we gonna
on
get this shit.
views. Small world, but my dog's huge. Food for thought, that's the dog food. Think it's sweet like some junk food. That's why I draw the line like it's art school.
You think it's sweet like some junk food. Draw the line. It's art school. Hard, bro.
That's the dog
All-liners.
food. Think it's sweet like some junk food. That's why I draw the line like it's art school. They tried out what I can do. I take
They tried what I can do.
food. That's why I draw the line like it's art school. They tried out what I can do. I take I'm out impossible. The world is mine, I'm responsible.
I take the I out of I. Hold on. He said I take the I out of I take the I out of I. Ain't impossible. Something you said.
Tried out what I can do. I take I'm out impossible. The world is
I take I'm out impossible.
school. They tried out what I can do. I take I'm out impossible.
I take out of impossible. Oh, so it's just possible. So everything is just possible. I got it.
It's
I
art
got it.
school.
Nigga.
They tried out what I can do. I take I'm out impossible. The world is mine, I'm responsible. I'm colorblind.
The world is mine. I'm responsible, like a parent, like I'm responsible for the world. Okay, man.
I take I'm out impossible. The world is mine, I'm responsible. I'm colorblind, I come out the blue.
I'm colorblind. I come out the blue, like depression. Like I come out the blue, like now I'm all perky, bro. I'm seeing like I'm not in the dumps no more. That shit hard.
Possible. The world is mine, I'm responsible. I'm colorblind, I come out the blue. World in my hands, I'm ball hogging. And when the summer's
World in my hands, I'm ball. These one-liners are like, damn.
I'm colorblind, I come out the blue. World in my hands, I'm ball hogging. And when the summer, spring, fall on it. I'm at your grill.
And when it's summer, spring, fall on it.
Blue. World in my hands, I'm ball hogging. And when the summer, spring, fall on it.
And winter, summer, spring, fall on it.
Blind, I come out the blue. World in my hands, I'm ball hogging. And when the summer, spring, fall on it.
But he said, like, it's like, but winter, like he's speaking slang, like winter, summer, when it spring on you, fall. That's it. Oh, when summer, spring on you. Oh.
Blind, I come out the blue. I'm out impossible. The world is mine, I'm responsible. I'm colorblind, I come out the blue. World in my hands, I'm ball hogging. And when the summer, spring, fall on it. I'm at your grill like George Foreman. Dogville
You
never.
got that one at the grill, George Foreman grill. But you remember when them shit was so popular? Bro? Everybody had a George Foreman.
And when the summer, spring, fall on it. I'm at your grill like George Foreman. Dogville never a dog moment.
Hold me, can't let them
Never
hold
dog
me,
moment.
can't let them hold me, can't let them down.
Now he gonna hit the blunt afterwards, bro. He gonna hit it
Can't let them
afterwards.
hold me, can't let them hold me, can't let them down. Hold me, can't let them hold me, can't let them hold me, can't let them down.
I wonder what we're gonna do Wayne here. Like Wayne was like he heard this beat, like, yeah, I got one for this one.
I'm tryna make it back home. I'm tryna weather the storm. For real. No pressure. They know I'm ready for whatever.
That was dope, bro. That was dope, bro. They all killed that shit. They all brought something different. That shit was hard, bro. That shit was hard. Kyle Richh, Lil Yachty, Lil Wayne, can't hold me down, bro. Make sure to hit that like button. Comment some more Lil Wayne. Gonna check out in the comment section down below. Sure, so we can see this as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, notify every time your boy drops a video. Till next time, React fam. I'm out.
Thanks for watching.